Type error, missing one required positional argument, self. I can't get past the error. I examined several tutorials, but there doesn't seem to be anything different from my code. The only thing I can think of is that Python 3.3 requires different syntax. If I understand correctly, self is passed to the constructor and methods automatically. What am I doing wrong here?
To use the class, first create an instance, like so. A full example. You need to initialize it first.
Adding a class method decorator to the method allows for calling it like pump.getPumps. A class method receives the class as the implicit first argument, just like an instance method receives the instance.
The self keyword in Python is analogous to this keyword in C++, Java, C#. In Python 2 it is done implicitly by the compiler. Yes, Python does compilation internally. It's just that in Python 3 you need to mention it explicitly in the constructor and member functions. Example.
You can also get this error by prematurely taking PyCharm's advice to annotate a method at static method. Remove the annotation.
Positional exercise.